rate of down flyers in World War II. General LeMay recognized the need for aircrew survival training. He created the school in Fort Carson, Colorado. In 1952, the school moved to Stead Air Force Base in Nevada. Then in 1966, it moved here, and here's where it has stayed. So the pilot is demonstrating a grid search pattern for a down pilot. So we light the smoke grenade. The down pilot lets the helicopter know where to find him. Pilot surveys the area, and for our purposes today, we're simulating a forested environment where the pilot cannot land the helicopter. So what he's going to do is go into a low hover, lower a medic down on a cable. The medic will attend to the needs of the down flyer. They'll extract that individual back into the helicopter, and the individual will be transported off to medical attention, wherever the nearest medical facility might be. The helicopter is a uh-1 Huey. Just about everybody knows from the Vietnam era. The survival school here is the Air Force's sole manager of survival, evasion, resistance, and escape training, also known in the military as SEER training. Their goal is to be able to empower the individuals to survive anywhere, anytime, and return with honor. The school composed of the headquarters, 3 squadrons, and 2 detachments. Together they perform a wide variety of survival training required for today's Air Force. The crew chief lowering our medic down on a cable, giving commands to the pilot to hold your hover, hold your hover. The pilot has his hands full keeping that helicopter in the exact position. He's not looking out. That's the job of the crew chief. The medic will detach from the cable. The cable will be retracted. The pilot now moves that helicopter away. Helicopter crew for today's demonstration is the aircraft commander, Captain William Lynn, the co-pilot, First Lieutenant Jake Rendelsbacher, flight engineer, Technical Sergeant John Pruitt. All right, the medic is attending to the simulated injured individual. Helicopter stands off, so the downwash from those rotors does not affect the initial treatment by the medic. Once the medic is squared away, it will call the helicopter back into position, and you'll see them lower a litter to extract the individual and lift him up into the helicopter. The survival school medical flight supports the survival school by performing all initial treatment of medical problems during training. They also assist the 36th Rescue Squadron for search and rescue operations. You'll find these doctors and technicians on the spot, in the field, or on base, whenever and wherever medical care is needed. Rescue Squadron personnel provide real-world search and rescue and medevac capabilities, not only for the survival school, but for civilians that are lost or injured in the mountains. Aircraft pilots equipped with night vision goggles so they'll be ready 24/7. medic will radio the pilot to return to the scene and extract the